Well, hey, it's gonna be Fan Mail Friday. This is a little bit different though. It's actually Friday that I'm filming this on, and you've never seen this. So this giant desk right here, this is what my dad built me for Christmas. And it was awesome because I have drawers over here. There. But right here is my storage for my Fan Mail Friday goods. So let's get some stuff out. We've got the big cube. Let's put it right here. We gotta grab some boxes. Oh, you know, while I was at, where was I? Was I Maker Faire? Matter Hackers, Jeffrey DeRusso gave me this piece, and apparently there are 25 more coming. Thanks for that. Let's see, we'll grab a couple of these boxes. These are all envelopes right here. So I'll take this one, and these two, and that one. Okay, let's see, we'll take this box. And we'll take this box. We'll take this box. All right, we got 4 envelopes and we got 2 boxes, and we're gonna open them up. I'm Joel, and this is Fan Mail Friday. Let's see what's inside this envelope. It is, well, let's see, we've got I am a maker. That's cool. We've got some more, oh, look at, these are stickers here. I am a maker, I'm a baker, creation crate, okay. Cool. I do like me some good stickers. We do have an envelope, and we do, whatever it was, it is no longer, and I'm really sorry about that. I guess postal mail, carrying envelopes, that sort of stuff. It just doesn't hold the fan mail well. Let's just take a look at this. Hi Joel, I'm a huge fan of your work, and I wish to be as good as you someday. I am still relatively new to 3D printing, and I have an ANET A8. I purchased an E3D V6, but I cannot use it because the mount I have is 1/2 inch too high. Can you help? High five, a young engineer. This is from Jack the Engineer. Okay. Well, Jack, first, thanks for the stickers. Thanks for the, what can I only assume was an awesome 3D printed thing that unfortunately did not survive. Unfortunately, I can't help with that. I don't know the right course of action. I would imagine you could check Thingiverse or the ANET A8 forums, because I know people have mounted E3D V6 hot ends to their ANET A8. You could always open up Tinkercad or Fusion 360 or SolidWorks or Onshape and design your own mount, which would then allow you to print with it. I wish you the best of luck. Thanks for emailing me, or thanks for mailing me, thanks for the stickers. I'll put them to good use. Let's get one more envelope. How about this one from a Kyle? This is from a Kyle. I want to make sure I don't cut into anything I shouldn't, so I'll open the envelope the rest of the way with my digits. Open up the envelope. It's really cool. All right, envelope is open, and inside we have a self-addressed stamped envelope and a $20 bill. Dear Joel, I started watching your channel a few years ago, and I'm a fan of your content and style, but I'm a bigger fan of you as a human. You've chosen to use your platform to help raise money for Children's Hospital. I have 2 children that have visited children's hospitals in our area on too many occasions. We've been very fortunate to have excellent medical coverage and, more importantly, excellent health outcomes, but we know there are others in greater need. To my mind, anyone who donates even a little bit is an excellent human, raising awareness to inspire others to be charitable. That's just another order of magnitude of awesomeness. Recently, I heard of another interesting use of 3D printing to raise awareness. It's the hashtag #WeTheRosies from We the Builders. It's a project at the upcoming Nation of Makers in June. An artist has designed a new Rosie the Riveter, and they plan to slice it into 2,625 parts, and it'll be over 6 feet tall. I'm signing up to print a couple pieces and mail them in once finished. I have 2 daughters, and I think that this will be a great way to support women in general, and specifically, it's an excellent chance to geek out as a father and spend time with my kids. Just plain neato to work with others. I also saw you at Murph in your extra large open RC car with Daniel and Ray. Lots of fun. So all these things have been rattling around my brain lately. Your videos, charity, raising awareness, large printing projects, mailing stuff, working and playing with others. Additionally, last I heard you had a slight issue getting a new Mario donation cube replacement completed, so I had an idea. Here's my thought. Maybe consider creating a huge 3D model, slice it up into thousands of pieces, and allow fans to buy or maybe bid on files to raise money, and then mail them in for a Fan Mail Friday segment. Sincerely, Kyle. Kyle, that's a neat idea. I do have an idea already that I need to put into effect for the cube. It won't be a cube. I'm hoping it'll be cooler. And if I can't get it done in time, though, I will definitely design something, slice it up to a whole bunch of bits, and have people send it in, because I think that'd be cool. Well, you did send something in for the kids. Let's take care of that. First things first. This is my box of stickers right here. This is my box of stickers. So whenever you hear me say you got a sticker, I bring it from here. And Kyle, you definitely get a sticker. Hey, I had an idea. It's a beautiful day outside. Let's go outside. We're now outside. That's my pool behind me. Let's take in, let's see, we got, let's do this box. It does say up. It does say up. And inside we have it's Gorilla Glue and some Gorilla Glue and some Gorilla Glue. It is a box of Gorilla Glue. That's fantastic. Ooh, and Goliath. Oh, it's not Gorilla Glue. I'm sorry. It's Goliath Glue. Goliath. It's another G. It's another G. Goliath Glue. I don't even know. But that's fantastic. It's from an RJ. Thank you for the Goliath Glue, RJ. Awfully kind of you. Let's move to a letter. We've got from a Bobby. I'm gonna start it, and then I'm gonna use my digits to open it. And inside we have, what is this? This is a self-addressed stamped envelope and a US $10 bill. Oh, and a note. I believe it was a Bobby, right? Yes, it was Bobby. Here we go. Hello, Joel, 3D printing nerd. I've been watching your videos for about 2 years now, and I've been very inspired to start designing in 3D. I currently am looking to invest in my very first 3D printer. Do you have any advice on a good 3D printer for a beginning maker? Well, that's a tough one. First, thank you for the $10, Bobby. That's a tough one because it really depends on your budget and what you want to start making and how much space you have available. For low budget stuff, the Creality Under 2 and the Under 3 are always good machines. They seem to be getting a lot of positive reviews. I haven't used either one myself, but many people I trust have used them and like them. You can also look at some of the stuff that FlashForge is offering now. Bill Steele, he was the one that helped Brooke with the printer belt. He now works for FlashForge and has made the printers Polar 3D enabled, so there's some low-cost options there. What else? Beyond that, the Prusa MK2S kit is $5.99 US, and I mean it's a fantastic kit, and it produces amazing print quality. So you can always do that. Well, first things first. Let's see how we can do this. There we go. All right, Bobby, you get a sticker. Here we go. I'm just sitting at my table. Figure we can finish these last two right here. We'll save the box for last, and the envelope is from a Justin. It's in the envelope. Let's see what's in the envelope from a Justin. And inside we have, we have a $5 Canadian bill. It does say, oh, and another one. We have 2 Canadian $5 bills. That's amazing. It does explicitly say to not read on air, but I will say that it is from a Justin Benoit, and it's very kind of him to send in these 2 Canadian $5 bills. And Justin, I will read this off the air. Last, and certainly not least, is this package from an Aaron. And Aaron, sending in a package. Aaron. Inside we have a self-addressed stamped envelope to the Palmer family. We have something between paper clips. We have something here. And just to make sure I have everything, this is 3D PN PCB tokens. This piques my interest. I will check out the papers first, just to make sure. Here they go. Those are the tokens. I think you can see that. I guess that's what they're gonna look like. Let's put this away. And, whoa, inside this piece of paper is a $20 US bill. That's gonna come in super handy. Package contents, $20 for Seattle Children's Hospital, 1 self-addressed stamped envelope, 45 3D Printing Nerd PCB tokens, and a PLA container. 45 3D PN Imperfect PCB tokens and a PLA container. 3D PN PCB token layer poster, which I showed you, packing slip, and a letter. That's pretty cool. Okay, someone actually doing a package contents. Dear Joel, I've been 3D printing for a few years now, and your channel has been an invaluable resource for me. I'm already a Patreon subscriber, but I wanted to further show my support by sending you some unique fan art. Inside the green PLA containers are what I call PCB tokens, and are a form of PCB art. PCB art is exactly what it says. It's a form of art that uses the color and technical limitations imposed by making a printed circuit board. There are 2 versions of the 3DPN PCB token because the fab that I used made some errors with the original, and I had to get it remade, but I took that opportunity to make some additional changes. Try looking at both the perfect and imperfect and see if you can spot the difference. The PLA containers themselves are the first objects I designed in Fusion 360 and were printed on my Prusa i3 Mark III. I added the emphasis there. Please do whatever you wish with the tokens, and if you'd like the original source files, just drop me a line, and I'll zip them up and send them over. Thanks again for everything you do, and stay safe. Twinkle Twinkie, Aaron at Mr. Twinkle Twink. Mr. Twinkle Twink. Oh, and P.S. the binary code on the back is not gibberish. Ooh. I'm gonna take this tape off without injuring myself. Maybe. You can never fully remove the possibility of me injuring myself with a knife or PLA. Is it a twisty? No, just a, oh, okay. Well, these are cool. Oh, look at that. It does say 3D Printing Nerd there. There's dogs behind me. And it does say that right there. Hi, Captain. Dogs are running around, so if you hear something, that's probably them. Wow, and there's a whole bunch of them. Okay, and the imperfect ones are here. I'll take a look at those a little bit later. But in the interest of time, I just want to say thank you. These are pretty cool. Oh, and first things first. Hooah! I'm gonna get you. Let's say, how about this? Thank you for the PCB tokens. And with that self-addressed stamped envelope, you get a sticker. Well, that's it. We're going to call it good for this week's Fan Mail Friday. A big thanks for everybody that sends something in. If you yourself want to send something in, the address to send fan mail to is at the bottom of the description of every video I post here on YouTube. Beyond all that, a big thanks for everybody that does send something in. I think I already mentioned that. Beyond all that, a big thanks for everybody for watching and subscribing. And if you made it this far, you're pretty dang awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more because I love you guys. As always, high five.